Hello, lovelies, or hello again, because I literally just did the other video. Um, this one will be the unboxing, and I won't be doing another unboxing for a while because, like I said in the other video, I'm going on a yarn diet. I have to. I have way too much yarn, and I can't crochet fast enough to keep up with all the yarn. So, oh, and dog alert, bark alert. What do we do? We bark downstairs. Thank you. Oh, my new hat that I just made. I just finished a little bit ago, and has the ponytail thing. Anyway, so let's unbox. And I'm sorry. Scruff, can you go downstairs and bark at the people? Might be a delivery guy. I don't think I have anything coming, but my man that lives here does. Maybe he has something. Anyway, so these boxes, there's a smaller box from Lion brand and another box from Lion brand. And then this box is anonymous. No, it's from somewhere, obviously. But where's the taggy? Oh, here we go. It's from, oh, Aberdeen. I had never ordered from Aberdeen. I know exactly what's in that box. Super deal. Thank you, Angela, My Precious Yarnery, for turning me onto them. And then the last box is from Premier. All right, so let's start with, we'll go smaller to larger. This one is Lion's brand. Again, they must have thrown this around. I think the delivery people are just getting very angry and just tossing stuff, which I don't blame them. I wouldn't want that job either. So anyway, open her up, and I'm hoping this is what I thought the other Lion brand box was, and it is. Oh my God. Okay, so we don't need this. Well, whatever. There's a program. It's a series called Schitt's Creek. Yes, it is Schitt's Creek. It is SCHITTS. It's a town. And one of probably my most favorite series, comic series ever. I adore it. Love all the characters, Moira, everybody. I mean, amazing. So what I did, I have no intentions of using this yarn. I have all intentions of just having it. And I wanted to see what quality it was. So this is the Schitt's Creek yarn line. And it's a little more muted here than it is on you. It's a little duller on my side. It's ironic that, or weird, that it's lighter for you guys than it is for me. There's no lights on. This is just some of the windows. We have big windows, but it's brighter on the camera. So this is a 4-weight. You got some stuff this way, some stuff that way. Interesting. The colorway, if I can find it, I grab colorways with names that I was more attached to. This one is, nope, that's the street that it's, oh, Rosebud Motel. I should have just known that. Rosebud Motel, 4-weight, and 372 yards. Very soft, really nice yarn. As Krista would say, definitely scarfable. So that's Rosebud Motel, where they stay. And then, well, this, all right, I'm gonna show you, well, duh, that's black. Big deal. Okay, this again, their labels are back, like part of it's one way, part of it's the other. It's not like circular. It's weird. And the same specs as the other one. That's showing up very true to color. And this colorway is, where did I find it on the other one? Oh, Finding David. I would love to find it. I would love to hang out with them, the whole crew. I would just want to be their friend. I want to invite them over for coffee and stuff. And this is black, obviously. But the reason I bought the black, if you don't already know, I'm obsessed with a certain type of bird. And again, why do I keep not finding, oh, there we go, black crow. And I am literally obsessed with crows. Okay, so those are the yarns. And I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm not using those. They are just to have to have. And I bought 2 of each of these. These are snappy things you put on your luggage. Oh, here we go. 2 of each. So this one, it says, it looks backwards to me. Schitt's Creek. I could read backwards, but I'm having a hard time seeing it. Oh. Rose Apothecary. What a great word. Apothecary. Wah, 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 wah. And this one is Schitt's Creek, the motel. And they're just leather snappy thing. Leather snap-ons. Just saying. God, I have such a dirty mind. Anyway, so that just goes into keepsies. I'm not using those for anything. And I've had these for a while because of going on a yarn diet. So I don't even remember like what's in this. I did, however, I put Joanne on a timeout. I'm not ordering from them probably for a long while because they really just frustrate me. Their whole system is screwy, and I don't understand why they have such a hard time with sending stuff out when other companies don't. Look at the Chewy company. My lord, you order one day, it's there the next day. All right, so this is Lion Brand. Enough of that crabbiness. Ooh, it's so fun when you don't open them. Well, I have a bad memory, so I can order them and then forget immediately. But I forgot about these. These are gorgeous. Oh, good for me. Okay, Lion Brand. Let's see what we got from them. I just had to have this. It's faux fur. And that's fun to say too, faux fur. And it's saying it's got 328 yards. It says a 4 weight, but they're definitely adding in in the other video I was calling it hue, but I don't know what it's called. The fuzzies. I'm just gonna say fuzzies. And it's 53% visco, 37% acrylic, and 10% nylon. And with all the little hats that I make, or even like if I'm doing this in the sweaters I'm making too, I'm like on this huge, speaking of sweaters, off topic for a hot sec, I stole this sweater from Craig. And I don't know how he could fit in it. So I said, it fits me better than it fits you. So I'm stealing it, and he says, fine. So he let me steal it. Anyway, so since I'm making sweaters and stuff, this might be nice, like if I do a pocket and just kind of put the fuzzies on the top of the pocket, maybe a little around the collar. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Oh, the colors. I only bought 1 of each of the colors, I think. Yes, I did. I bought 1 of each. Well, not all of them. I just bought these particular colors, but I only bought 1. That's Duncan whining. Can you stop whining? Thank you. I know you wanted something, but I'm doing something. I bought one of each. I didn't buy a lot because I really was just really thinking of trim for stuff. So the colorways are barley, and this one is silver. This one is charcoal, and this one is natural. Oh, naturally. All right. So I figure they're very universal colors, so they'll go with anything. And I can even make little pom-poms on hats or whatever. Then, apparently, okay, so I think I bought 4 skeins. Oh, 4 skeins of each of these. All right, so there's 4 of them. I'm not going to take the other ones out, but they're in the bag. Stop it, Willie Weiner. Just saying. Okay? Hold off. Just a minute. He's like so demanding, like most men. Anyway. These are Moroccan Nights. I've never had Moroccan Nights. They are I apologize for the Willie Weinerness. These are, okay, let's hold it this way. They're a 3 weight, 200, I apologize, 273 yards. 3 weight, it's acrylic, so it's 98% acrylic, Oh, and then it's just, oh, 2% polyester. Never mind. I was reading the foreign language. And yeah, they're tiny, but look at the colors. Aren't those gorgeous? And a green and purple, if you haven't noticed. That's the color of my company and everything. Those are my two favorite colors. So these are going to be really cool. Not sure what I'm going to do with them. There's a little bit of a fuzz on them. Really super soft. Digging them. So I have 4 of each color, but I can incorporate the 2 colors. Ooh, this does. It has purple inside. Look at that. There's blues and purples. I don't really wear shawls, you know, and I don't live in an area anymore where shawls are really a thing. Is there an area where shawls are? But where I used to live, a little more fa in Fairfield County, Connecticut. Whoop-de-doo. That's why I'm not there anymore, because I can't afford to live there. But they would be more apt to wear shawls. So if I ever do a show down there or vending down there, I'll bring shawls. Around here, we're in pajamas and slippers all day long. I also ordered 3 more of the Ferris Wheels, and this color is Cotton Candy. It says a 4-weight, but it's definitely a light 4. I would say this is more of a 3-weight. Loved working with it. I've worked with it before, and I have like 1.5 left of this Ferris wheel, this particular color. So I just grabbed 3 more so that I can make something substantial with it. The yardage on here, yardage, 270 yards, so 2, 6, 8, 10, add a few more on the 7s. Yeah, that much yardage. Okay, it's a math thing. Alrighty, so I am already 12 minutes in. 2 more boxes. Do I keep going, or do I make another video? Because these are both literally Lions brand. So I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to tease you and make you watch a whole nother video with more shenanigans, because I like to keep these shorter. Anyway, so those are my Lion brand unboxings, and I will do the Premier and the Aberdeen in the next video. Love you guys. Safe. Be sorry. Where'd that come from? I was looking at the snow and was going to say be snowy. So be snowy. Love ya.